house for the first time. Well, not the first time. We're going to be spending the night at the new house for the first time tonight. Hopefully this low light is decent. I don't have much faith in it. I don't have much faith in the low light abilities of the GoPro, but okay guys, what is up? So hopefully the reveal video that we have a house, that should have gone up before this video. This is just gonna be a vlog on the GoPro. It is not New Year's, it is Christmas Eve. And we are in the new house. We spent the night there for the first time last night. So we're gonna have our first Christmas in the house. And we're just literally cleaning up still and getting stuff in order. But yeah, we're gonna run back. We're gonna run back to the apartment, grab some more stuff, come back here and do another run. So we have most of all the furniture's here, just some last bit of stuff we have to bring back over. So it's exciting, but also once again we're gonna be doing work or like cleaning stuff up on Christmas, but it's fine. All right, let's jump on the road and let's get back to the apartment. All right, back at the apartment. Still got a couple things left to grab. I think we're just going to pack up some more stuff, get some more clothes and stuff like that, and then we're gonna head back to the house. But yeah, it is Christmas Eve, and I'll show you guys real quick. Just this view. And this great, beautiful, like, setting. I'm gonna probably miss this the most. We're still here for a couple more days. We're gonna be inside the apartment, but I'm gonna miss this view. My work setup, it's so puny right now. Have another full load going back with us. Filming on my phone for another video. Let's get this over to the house. It is, what time is it? 9:48, Christmas Eve. I swear, next year we're gonna be the most festive for Christmas. This is the second year in a row we haven't done anything for Christmas. Not a single thing. Next year, that's gonna be completely different. Legion, do you want some food? You want some food? Do you want food? Wait.
You probably run at him while you do it.
A food? A food? Wait. Food? He never barks. Food? Food? He knows, yeah, he does know what this is. Huh? Who wants some food? Alright, but you guys gotta calm down though. Alright, sit here. Wait, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, so it's 10:49, Christmas Eve.
Show them your socks.
Merry Christmas. I got these from Dollar Tree?
They're dope. I really like them.
Got them from Dollar Tree.
Were they your only option?
There was some like diabetic women's socks too.
That's it? Those are your two choices? Like you didn't pick the design?
No, these were like the only They were just like those big white socks. And then I think literally these. Oh, there was some more. They were like ankle socks. And I was like, I can't fit those. So. Okay, so once again, the GoPro sucks at night, but it's Christmas Day now. We have spent like the morning. We actually did do some stuff. I took out some shelves that were inside the house, which is actually all of that stuff. We are just getting rid of some stuff. We're gonna chop up some of this stuff, break it down. We have a heavy trash pickup coming, so we're trying to get rid of as much stuff as we possibly can. All of this stuff is just stuff we got like from the backyard. We're just going through, getting rid of stuff and getting stuff ready for like the stuff that we're gonna do to the house. So it's in a process of just getting stuff out and like getting it, cleaned up. So that's been going on. About to load up the Jeep because we're gonna take some more stuff, more trash back to the other apartment where there's more garbage cans. So like the light stuff, like these garbage bags we can take back there. But we're getting the big heavy pickup for all of this stuff. And we're gonna be cleaning out the garage finally. So I'm really excited about that. So we're gonna have the garage space gonna be cleaned out. Gonna be power washing the floor. Eventually we'll be epoxying the floor. Probably putting up new shelving and then new stuff up inside here. So it's a process, but we are in the process of doing it. It's just getting it all done. All right, let's get this stuff loaded up. Safety first. So we got, just took out my stuff. I'm gonna finish cleaning up, get this stuff. All those bags are gone. I will say I love the Jeep just for the fact that we can get all that stuff out. Can you help me with my bag? Is it working well?
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, my nose is just not up.
Trying to get the rest of the stuff. This giant metal pole, I don't know what to do with this guy. Oh, I just hit my face on this wire. Gotta get that. But there's not that much lights in here. Oh no, there's 2 lights in here. Oh, one of them's out.
Yeah, baby.
This one's good. Let me get this on. Okay, I'm ready to go. Wow. Yeah, this thing's on good. We just wind up taking this whole thing out. Pull that. Oh, so we gotta get rid of basically.
Why would you even get that thing?
What thing? I don't know. We'll figure that out. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Okay. Yeah, I don't know.
It says drop in any mail, we guarantee postage. You should Google, is there still an Imperial Highway Motel?
Okay, so just got done. No, actually I'm not done. I'm still finishing packing up. I'll show you guys real quick. This is what we got left still. More just empty boxes. My goal is hopefully I can get the rest of this stuff into the Jeep tonight. Just this section right here, that'll be great. This stuff I have to come back for. That's just some food stuff. And then everything in the kitchen's pretty much packed up. Only other thing gotta do is, because of the internet won't turn on in our new place until literally the 30th. So I have my little work desk right there. I had to come back because I had to send some clients some emails. Literally Christmas. I literally never stop working. I'm always working. That's just my life. So yeah, so have all that stuff taken care of. I'm gonna try to get as much stuff into the Jeep tonight. And it's been like so rainy and just wet and miserable. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, so technically, so we're going to stay at the house again, but for like a couple of days, we're gonna have to come back here because they're gonna be doing work to the house. So while they're gonna be doing work at the house, we're gonna be back here next week for like a couple of days. So that's the reason why we can't move everything, but pretty much everything. Like just some food stuff we're gonna keep here. And then that's gonna be, we're gonna have to bring that over on the last like trip. And then my work computer, just like I don't even have my other screens and all my other stuff. I just have like just my basic computer. That's gonna come with me. And then just the rest of our stuff. So we pretty much have to have everything set. So I'm excited. Yeah. This video is probably trash. And I love how literally in like one of my last videos, I was like, I'm not gonna upload any other trash videos. Like I did like another vlog on the GoPro and I was like, I'm not gonna upload that because that was trash. And this is probably trash too. But you know what though? This is content. This is content. This is the stuff people want to see. They want to see your daily life. So this is kind of what it is right now. Kind of absolutely crazy. But yeah. So we're going to finish putting this stuff inside the Jeep, driving back to the house, and then calling it a night because early in the morning we're gonna go off to Lowe's and Home Depot, try to get some more paint and some more stuff. It's just a lot. But if you guys are interested, you can check out this video here, which is gonna be the related video to this video. So if you want, you can check that video out like that. We'll see you in the next video. See you guys.